tell you to stop caring what other people think about your artwork, okay? Some people aren't gonna like your artwork, and that's fine. So stop listening to the people who tell you that your artwork's ugly. Stop listening to people who tell you that it's bad or that it's inappropriate, okay? Create what you... Artist check.
How to draw a person. Draw a circle. Guidelines. Chin shape. Eye shapes. Nose. Mouth. Don't overdo the detail. Eyeballs. Shade them in. Draw ears. With details. Eyebrows. Eyelids. Draw hair and final details to finish it off. Now you can draw.